All right, another unboxing, or unbagging in this case here, but what is it? Well, I already started to open it, but here we are. This is the new fabric, the new old fabric that we are doing. And I don't know, but if you look at some of the projects I did right over here, it is started out as the clamshell, and it has been that the whole time. So this is my little clamshell project, and I'm glad to be back here doing another couple cushions for this lovely client. So if you look here, this is the same concept as we're doing. This is the before and after. This is a 25-inch cushion, a little bit smaller, and we're going to go ahead and make this work. So right now I am going to be cutting this foam to the dimensions for 23-inch by 23-inch foam. This is now a 25-inch. To know if this was a square. If I remember, 33 is about where I'm at, 33 and a quarter over here, 33 and maybe just a little more than a quarter. So I'm fine with that. This was a house. I recommend obviously being perfect. This is a cushion where it is. So this is going to be the first one. And we're going to take this and we're going to make it into this.